Hello and welcome back to my channel. To begin with the preparation, take an onion, cut it in half and chop it up very finely. Take a medium sized carrot and cut it up into fine little pieces. Now the idea in this recipe is that you have to finely mince all the vegetables. Now take 4 to 5 garlic pods and mince it very finely. Now do the same thing with the green chili and also with the dried red chilies as well. Put a kadai on the stove and add enough water. Add about half teaspoon of salt and let the water come to a rolling boil. Now add in the noodles. I have used egg noodles here. Let the noodles boil taking its own time. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes. And then check it if the noodles are properly cooked or not. Then drain it off and run it under cold water. Now put the same kadai on the stove and next add in about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Now add in the chopped garlic, then the dried red chilies as well as the green chili. Add a bay leaf as well and now saute it till the garlic and the dried red chili releases its aroma. Now add in the chopped onions as well as the chopped carrots and you have to saute it until the onions become translucent. Now at this stage add in salt just to soften the onions and next add in about half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it up very well and now add in half cup of minced chicken. Cook it on a high flame till the chicken changes its color. Next add in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now this step is very important in order to get the red color of the chicken sauce. Now add in half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And give it a quick little toss. Next add in a bunch of chopped spring onions. Mix it up well. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Next add in 1 puree tomato. Give it a quick little toss and cover it and cook it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and again stir it well. Now at this point check for the seasoning and next add in water. So the idea here is that you have to get a semi-liquid consistency of the chicken sauce. So the amount of water will depend on the consistency that you like. Now take off the bay leaf as it has done its job. Now at this point take out about half cup of this chicken mixture and keep it aside. And with the rest of the chicken you are now going to add in the boiled noodles. Adding the noodles you have to add water little by little so that the noodles do not dry out and you get a semi-liquid consistency. Mix the chicken very well with the noodles. Now add in about 1 tablespoon of butter and a little bit of water. This is just to make a glossy like consistency and that the noodles do not dry out. Mix it up very well with the butter and the water. Now at this point check for the seasoning, whether everything is well balanced or not. Here I have added salt because it was little less on the dish. Give it a quick little toss and again add in chopped spring onions. The dish is ready to be served, so keep on watching for the presentation. So onto a plate with the help of tongs I will make a ball shaped noodles. Just right onto the center of the plate. Add in chopped spring onions on the top. And now it's time to add the chicken sauce that we have kept aside earlier. Now add in cheese. I have used sliced cheese, but you can just put a dollop of cream cheese as well. It works absolutely fine. And this is how your dish should look like. Do give this a try at home and you will definitely love it. So that's it for today's video. Do write to me in the comment section down below and please hit that like button if you like this recipe. I will come up with more such interesting and new recipes, so stay tuned. Please do follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the description box down below, and if you have tried any of my recipes then please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page given right here. So Antika's Kitchen signing off. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.